What's up, guys? Welcome back to May's Verse. Now, in this episode, you're going to talk about some free online courses that you can take from the comforts of your homes. So whether you're a student or a professional, but you're willing to learn, don't have anything to do during the pandemic, and this is for you. This is May's, and you are watching May's Verse. Who would have thought that a mass communications graduate would be doing a job of a communications engineer or IT or technical support? Most of the knowledge that I use today are not things that I learned from school, but from past job experiences. Experience is arguably the best teacher, and you never know what you can or cannot do until you have tried it. Today, more and more freelance jobs or gigs don't even require a college degree or diploma, as long as you can do the job. And I'm not saying that education is not important. What I'm saying is, whatever your educational attainment is, you can still learn every single day. Which is why I created this series for you. The first in our list is for Filipinos, TESDA online program. Top. What you will need: a PC, laptop, or an Android phone, an internet connection, an email address. Open a new tab and go to www.e-tesda.gov.ph. Hit enter or search. You will be taken to the TESDA online program home screen. If you already have a login, click on login at the top right corner of the screen. So if it's your first time here, it would prompt you to create a new account. So let's go ahead and click that. Let's pretend that I don't have an account yet. So you will see TESDA online program, new account. So you would choose your own username, and the password is right here. Create your own password, and it would ask you for your email address and your email address again, your first name, your surname, city or town, and then for country, of course, you'll just put in Philippines. So some personal information here, you just gotta fill that out, and then complete permanent mailing address and classification. So you have to go through all of these to create a new account if you don't have an account yet, but if you do, you can just simply log in from here. And then, so let me click on login. So these are the courses that I've taken so far. You will see courses over here. So as you can see, they already have some courses for COVID-19 management. So they've updated this since the last time I had time to take some courses from here, but I'm telling you guys that it's actually legitimately free, and it's absolutely free to take courses here. The only catch is if you are say if you want to certify for NC2 or NC3 national certifications, after you take this course online and you want a certificate for it, then you will have to go face-to-face on a TESDA facility for an assessment. Okay, but the other courses in here are online. They can be taken from your phones. See, Android 4.0 programming in Java. So ICT courses, smart Android mobile apps development for beginners, smart technopreneurship. Okay, 101. Haven't heard of that one. Okay, this one. Job interview skills training course. Job interview skills training course. I think many people will be interested on this one. And Skills to Succeed Academy. That one too. That looks great. Processed food and beverages. So I'm just going through these stuff randomly. So as you can see, this one has an NC2 certification over here. So once you have completed all of these online trainings and you're confident that you can pass the assessment for a certificate, or a national certificate that is, then that's the time that you would go to a TESDA facility to take the assessment first, and then they will let you know if you passed. I don't know the complete process, but basically that's how it goes. To enroll yourself in one of the courses, so let's try to pick a course in here. Okay, let's pick entrepreneurship, and I've already done this, or I've already enrolled in managing your personal finances. So let me try and see what this one is. Start and improve your business. So for new entrepreneurs or small business owners, you can check this course out. It is completely free. Oh, it says no enrollment key required, right? Start and improve your business. Management training program. Okay, developed by the International Labor Organization. Wow. With a focus on starting and improving small businesses as a strategy for creating more and better employment for women and men, particularly in emerging economies. With an estimated outreach of over 100 countries, it is one of the world's largest programs in this field. Alright, so you can just click Enroll Me, and that's about it. You are enrolled in this course. You can see your progress there. I'll show you later. So this is sort of the syllabus of the course, right? You're not going to be able to continue to the next number or the next chapter unless you have finished the first ones up on top. So for me, this is generate your business idea before I can move on to the next topic or chapter. To view the courses that you are enrolled in, you can click courses and then go to your dashboard. So you can filter it by course name or last accessed. I only have a few, and this is the latest one that I just enrolled in. We can click that, and then it would show your progress over here once you have finished at least one of the topics. Right, so let me know in the comments below what you think of the TESDA online program and the courses. It looks like TESDA actually has an FAQ page. You just click on a frequently asked questions page if you have any questions regarding the program. So let's take a look at this. So what is TESDA online program? How do I enroll in a course? And do I need to pay a tuition in order to enroll? So we already answered most of these questions earlier. And do we get a certificate of training after completing the course? So they also answered that here. We have developed the online courses to be accessible to as many Filipinos as possible. You will get a certificate of completion if you finish the course, and if you think you are ready, then you may take the face-to-face assessment for national certification at any TESDA accredited assessment center or venue. So there we have it. Who do I contact for technical support? So for comments, suggestions, or to report technical problems, please contact them through this email over here, and or a telephone number if you wish to contact them via phone. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe.